Come here. Corbin, where are you going? Corbin, this way. Corbin. Corbin, look. Look what Mommy's got. Come and get it. Corbin. What are you so excited about? Huh? It's just laundry. It's not that exciting. Sissy's laundry. What are you excited about? Is the doggy over there? Or the kitty? Is it the kitty? Are you trying to get to the kitty? Hi. Cat? Yeah. Corbin. Hey, where are you going? No, you can't have the straps. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh, sick baby. Corbin. And kitty? Are you trying to get the kitty? Huh? You trying to get to a kitty? Hey. Hey, mister. Hi. Hi, mister. Mum, 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 mum. They say mum, 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 mum. As you can see, he's got the crawling down quite pat now. Come on, come on! Ugh. Piece of paper on the floor. Are you gonna eat it? Don't eat it. Bring it to Mommy. Yeah. Corbin. What do you find? Come on, monkey. Come on, monkey. Come on. Corbin. Hey, this way. No, this way. Come this way. Come on, monkey. Oh. Ooh. You like that, don't you? Hi. Hi. Uh-huh. Is your mum, mum, mum? Corbin. Corbin. Ah. You like that, don't you? Where are you going? You found a cup? Oh, goodness sake, baby. Oh, goodness sake, baby. Goodness. Corbin. Oh, boys. Look at Mommy. No? Okay. You like that, don't you? Get it. Oh. Uh-oh. Goodness sake. Where are you going? Ah, after your toy. And he's off. Yeah.